Hi, this is Deepika Padukone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have created this look. This is the Deepika Padukone inspired look. This is a very bold, beautiful eyes. She has a lot of looks using this kind of bold eye, so I thought, okay, this look let me try. So today I have come up with this look. It is not so tough, very easy. Only the tricky part is with the eyeliner. You may do something wrong and mess up with the eyeliner. If you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Payel. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna moisturize my face and moisturize my under eyes. So I just washed my face with some cleansing milk. Next, I'm gonna take this under eye cream from Colorbar. This is the Colorbar Eyebelieve Ultimate Eye Cream. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. After that, for rest of my face, I'm gonna take this Lotus Nutramoist Moisturizer. It is almost going to finish. I have a fresh piece of this. Next, I'm gonna apply some lip balm and I'm gonna let this moisturizer to set for 5 minutes. After that, I'm gonna use rest of my makeup. So alright, my moisturizer has been sunk into my skin. Next, I'm gonna prime my face. So Deepika Padukone's skin was looking flawless, so I want to cover my pores, whatever pores I'm having. So I'm first using this Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer, and for my pore areas, mostly near my cheeks, I'm gonna use this Porefessional. So this primer itself, Smashbox primer itself, gives a very even finish to your little bit of the pore filler. I'm gonna take and I'm just going to dab it. Next, I'm gonna take this M.A.C strobing cream to get a beautiful glow to my face. So these areas I'm gonna apply the strobing cream. If you want, you can wear this strobing cream without makeup also. It is going to give a healthy glow to your face. Next, I'm gonna move into brows. Deepika was having very bold brows, so I'm gonna use this L'Oreal brow pomade to define my brows. So I'm gonna take this brush from M.A.C, which came with the M.A.C Eye series collection, and first I'm gonna comb this, and then taking the brush, I'm gonna pick up the product and slowly keep starting defining my brows. So I'm gonna make it quite thick, similar to her. So I'm gonna use the pomade. Then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and using the powder, I'm gonna fill in my brows to find it more bold and thick. This is looking a little bit more bold, but we are going to use the concealer to clean up the edges. Next, I'm gonna take this powder and fill in the gaps. So mostly I'm going to fill in the gaps in the end. The brows are done. I know it is looking a little bit scary, but you know, once we go more details into the makeup, so it is going to look good. So next, I'm going to move into foundation. I'm going to use this M.A.C Studio Fix foundation. I'm in the shade NC 43.5. So it does not have a pump. So I'm going to take a brush, and using that, I'm going to apply it on all over my face. So first, I'm going to use a brush So once I have made an even layer of foundation, I'm gonna move into concealer. So I don't want a very cakey thick face, so I have applied less amount of foundation. Next for concealer, I'm gonna go for this Elle Pro concealer, and all the areas wherever I have little bit of dark spots or dark areas, I'm gonna apply this. It is in the shade Fawn. And also I'm gonna drag this concealer for my eyelid. Next I'm gonna take the beauty blender and dab it very gentle handed, because we don't want to lose the coverage. So now I'm going to blend the whole face, so that if there is any harsh stroke because of the brush, it is going to make it even. Next I'm gonna set my whole face. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 30 medium deep. So I'm gonna use this for all over my face. For my under eyes, I'm gonna use shade medium 25. For rest of my face, I'm gonna use the shade medium deep. And for my under eyes, I'm gonna bake. For my rest of my face, I'm just gonna dab. So I'm gonna let the powder sit for some time. Meantime, I'm gonna bronze my face. So I'm gonna use this NYX matte bronzer, and just taking a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna bronze. So basically I'm gonna bronze the outer parameters of my face, slightly on the forehead and also my jawline. Same thing I'm gonna do for my other side also. And if I'm overboard with the bronzer, then I'm gonna go over with the powder brush. Next, taking a small fluffy brush, I'm gonna contour my nose using the same bronzer. Next I'm gonna go for this bold eye look. So I'm gonna take this MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and taking this black first, I'm gonna take a flat brush, and first I'm gonna outline the place wherever I want the black liner, so that I don't mess up with the liner. Using small strokes. So using small strokes, I'm gonna draw the line wherever I want the black liner. And also I'm gonna make some line for my lower lash line. Next I'm gonna take two kajals. These are from Nykaa. One is Nykaa Eyem black kajal, little bit thin. This is for more precision. And I'm gonna take this EyemBOLD, which will to fill the black areas, so that it is easy to fill. So first I'm gonna take the black and fill in the gaps. Since I have a little bit of hooded eye, so I'll make sure I don't open the eye. Next, I'm gonna take this Eyem black kajal and go to the edges. And also I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. And take a little bit of the bronzer, NYX bronzer, to smudge my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this cool tone shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette to define my crease. Next, taking a fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend the outer edges of my crease like this. Next, I'm gonna finish off my other eye and get back to you. Eye makeup is done. Next, I'm gonna use some mascara. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal False Lash Superstar mascara. I don't think Deepika was wearing any kind of lashes, so I'm gonna use this. And if I wear lashes also, it will not be visible, so I'm gonna use this to blending, thickening everything for my lashes. Now this time, if my mascara touches my upper lashes, that is fine because everything is black. Now actually my brows are a little bit looking black, so I'm gonna use this Benefit Give Me brow gel to set my brows, and also this is going to make it more warmer. So next I'm gonna use some blush. So I'm gonna use this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette, and using this bronzy shade I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, also take slightly, I'm gonna take it to my forehead, to my nose. So next for my highlighter I'm gonna use this Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter duo in the shade Glitterati 02. I'm gonna take the shade Rose Gold and apply it on the highest points of my cheeks. Next for my lips, first I'm gonna line my lips using this Colorbar lip liner in the shade Chocolate Brown, and then I'm gonna use the shade mixture of this Nykaa 2 matte lipsticks, matte to lash lipsticks. One is in the shade Bombay and another is Madras Cappy. So I wanted a very nude brown lips, as she was wearing a very nude brown lips. First I'm going to apply some Madras Cappy. Next I'm going to use some Bombay on the center of the lips to give more ombre effect. I can see she was having some ombre effect in her lips. Like this. I'm gonna let this lipstick dry for some time. Meantime, I'm gonna set my whole face. I'm gonna use this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the shade in Pink Light, and you have to shake it well before using it because it has some glittery particles in it. So today I'm gonna cover my eyes. I don't want anything from my eyes to bleed, so I just want to apply it on my face. Next I'm going to let it dry for some time. So I'm going to make a very big puff, whatever she is having, and get back to you. So that's the finished look. I have put some hoops. She was wearing some simple hoops, but I don't have so simple hoops, so I have put this hoops. I try to make a puff with my hair. I did not use an extension or anything. With my real hair only I try to make a puff. And I have worn this dress inspired. She was wearing kind of a red dress, so I thought, okay, let me wear this dress. So yeah, that's the finished look. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and let me know if you want this kind of videos more. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.